Hello Internet. In this video, I would like to share how I turn a budget mouse into a video editing power tool. A commercial video editing mouse is expensive. Can I turn my budget mouse into a video editing tool? For a budget mouse, it should have a scroll wheel. For the mouse without a scroll wheel, I would not recommend for video editing. Here is my vertical mouse used daily. It has side forward backward buttons. In the previous video, I show how I mod the mouse. I buy this mouse for easy filming in this video. It has a scroll wheel with the scroll left and right buttons. Download and install Auto Hotkey. I share this Auto Hotkey script in my GitHub. Double-click the script. The script is running in the taskbar. I map the Win key and scroll wheel for volume control for all programs. Let me explain my script. Control the volume by these three lines, which is similar to the commercial program for all applications. Hold the Win key. Scroll or press the middle button for volume control. I map that control key and scroll wheel for zooming. However, different applications have different shortcuts for zooming. These are the code for zooming. For different applications, it is possible to distinguish the application by using Windows Spy. It is similar to the commercial application for an individual program. In Premiere, hold the Control key. Scroll or press the middle button for zooming. In Chrome, hold the Control key. Scroll or press the middle button for zooming. In Visual Studio Code, hold the Control key. Scroll or press the middle button for zooming. I map the Shift key and scroll wheel for frame moving in Premiere. These are the code for frame moving. In Premiere, hold the Shift key. Scroll for one frame moving. Hold the Control and Shift key. Scroll for 5 frames moving. If you want to modify the number of frames per scroll, modify the parameter under Preference Playback. In Premiere, I map the Alt key and scroll wheel for moving between the edit points. In Chrome, I map the Alt key and scroll wheel for moving between the open tabs. These are the code for the Alt key and scroll. Hold the Alt key. Scroll for moving between edit points in Premiere. Hold the Alt key. Scroll or press the middle button for moving between the open tabs. Here is my keyboard. With the combination of modifiers and the scroll wheel, I have already remapped these navigation keys to the mouse. There are 2 side buttons in my mouse for the additional mapping. For my preference, I always put my left hand on the left side of my keyboard, and my right hand always holds the mouse. I map these 2 side buttons to delete and ripple delete, which is the farthest key from my left hand. These are the code for the side buttons. Delete by pressing the forward button. Ripple delete by pressing the back button. I also map the side buttons with the modifiers, but these are not relative to video editing. These are the codes for the mappings. For the details of these functions, please refer to my previous video. When I edit the video, I press the Alt key and forward button to switch between the open folders. This mouse not only has the scroll left and right buttons but also has the side buttons. I highlight the model number. Hold the Control key and press the backward button. I can check the YouTube review for this mouse. Hold the Shift key and press the forward button. I can check the price of this mouse on Amazon. Hold the Shift key and press the backward button. I can check the price in my city. Hold the Control key and press the forward button. I can check the price in China market. Hold the Windows key and press the backward button. I can check the translation of a word by Yahoo Dictionary. Hold the Windows key and press the forward button. I can have a paragraph translation by Google Translate. Hold the Alt key and press the backward button. I can check a stock value online. If you want to run the script automatically after rebooting, you can put the auto hotkey script in the shell startup folder. I tried to use other keys on my keyboard together with the mouse buttons. To find the scan code of the function key, left-click the running auto hotkey script icon. Under View Key History, scroll down to the bottom. Press the FN key on your keyboard. Press F5 to refresh. The scan code of my FN key is 163. To use the FN key combining with the mouse scroll, here is the sample code. To use the caps lock key combining with the mouse scroll, here is the sample code. Both of them work. However, unlike standard modifiers, sometimes I have to press twice to activate the keystroke. Thereby, I would not recommend using the key combination. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.